This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update for May 5th. Well, corn was higher yesterday as the market tries to discover the magic point at which we start to ration demand. As it stands right now, livestock margins are positive for pork and poultry, ethanol margins are positive, and exports continue to be strong. So in theory, we could see this market continue to work higher. Soybeans were higher, but couldn't keep pace with corn as the new crop ratio between corn and beans is now at 2.35. The general consensus seems to be that the soybean crop in Brazil is a record, while the corn crop in that nation is losing ground rapidly. That puts the trade in the position of needing to ration corn, but probably not soybeans. We did see the soybean basis in Brazil weaken another 5 to 7 cents per bushel yesterday, while here in the U.S., crush margins remain extremely good, with strong basis levels reflecting that fact. Wheat prices were higher in all three classes, and overseas we had the Paris futures higher as well. In international news, we had Sovicon increase their estimate of Ukraine's wheat crop by 800,000 metric tons to what would be a record 28.6 million metric tons. Here in the U.S., all eyes are on the weather, where the 6 to 10 day forecast is offering better chances for rain in some of the parched regions of the southern plains. Cotton futures struggled yesterday, with the July futures closing 69 points lower, settling at 87.17. And livestock futures experienced a mixed session. At the close, June live cattle futures were $2.27.5 lower, while August feeder cattle were down $3.62.5 at the close. Lean hog futures had a positive performance, with the June futures closing 90 cents higher and establishing yet another life of contract high. Class 3 milk futures remain mired in a very tight trading range. At the close, the May futures were 3 points higher, settling at 19.07. And finally, meat cutout values were mixed. We had choice box beef $1.92 higher, closing at 301.22. Select boxes were up by 12 cents to settle at 283.91, while pork carcass cutout values slipped a bit, finishing 48 cents lower as they settled at $111.18 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.